Now, we'll start from the top because basically lenders use these terms, factoring, debtor finance, invoice discounting, but they all mean the same thing. It's just putting invoicing in and getting advances on them. Now, with invoice discounting, this was created by the banks because of the stigma around factoring, but discounting means exactly that. They discount it. So their fees are obviously going to be cheaper than any private lender out there, and where I mentioned before where they advance up to 80%, some banks might go to 90, 95. It just depends on the different scenarios, how big the client is, what the turnover is, and we'll get to that later on the track. But we'll start at the top. Single invoice factoring is exactly what it is. Putting an invoice in to a lender, a single invoice, and getting finance on it. Now there are some criteria that goes with this. It's not as simple as it sounds. Single invoice funders normally like large invoices. And when I say large, I mean it could be 20,000, 30 and above. They want one transaction. Now, most of them won't take property. There'll be a personal guarantees. They'll actually have a look at the equity sheet and balance sheets and have a look at the directors, see what they own. But they're normally going off the face value and the strength of the invoice. Now,